is Therapy Thursday, a day where we answer your questions with the help of our friend, Dr. Brenda Lloyd-Jones from the University of Oklahoma. Happy New Year. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Tatum. Happy New Year.
Yes. Okay, well, let's jump right in.
Sure.
Today's topic, it comes from Leon. Leon says, I've received feedback about the need to improve my emotional intelligence. How can I work on enhancing this aspect of my interpersonal skills?
Great question. Let's start with briefly defining emotional intelligence. It refers to not only managing, but understanding and recognizing your own emotions and those of others in interaction. So to help Leon boost his emotional intelligence, I would suggest that he start with improving communication. For example, during discussions, he can not only ask clarifying questions, but he wants to also contribute respectfully. And he also wants to listen attentively. Sometimes we are praised for communicating, but we also need to be able to listen. I would also suggest that he build rapport. And that can be done simply by appreciating, acknowledging, and building on other people's contributions. So it's not about being the star of the show, but it's about collaboration and how can you build and help others bring their ideas to fruition. Here's the heart of the matter. He can build his social skills and in turn also boost his emotional intelligence by taking on the communication issue and also establishing rapport. He can do this at home, at work, and in the community.
And also listening, not just to what they're saying, but listen to their body language or perhaps the things that they're not saying with their tone.
Right, absolutely. Body cues are important. Being sensitive to one's emotional status, and also, as you mentioned, the tone. How are they speaking? Are they low? What's their effect? And can you read the room? Is very, very important.
Absolutely. Good people skills.
Excellent. We call them human relations skills in the Department of Human Relations at OU Tulsa.
Okay. Put a note in that, everyone. Thank you so much for your insight. Always great.
My pleasure.
If you have a question that you would like for us to consider for next week, send an email to therapythursday@griffin.news. Coop.